Good morning and welcome back to Berlin. This morning we're visiting the Instituto Cervantes. We'll be studying the European Union. We'll be conducting a simulation and dealing with migration. We were each given the role of being the head of state of EU member nations. This would prove valuable in our classrooms. After our session at the Institute, we had some free time to kind of go on our own and get lunch wherever we wanted to. I chose to go back to my favorite spot, Alexanderplatz. There's a new subway line that will connect Alexanderplatz with a lot of the main attractions throughout Berlin. I love the fact that Alexanderplatz has just about everything you need. From top shopping, great restaurants, and even some of your international favorites like KFC.
U1 line actually runs around the old gates of Berlin. So Cottbusser Tor means actually the gate to Cottbus.
Welcome to Kreuzberg. After World War II, there was a severe labor shortage that led to treaties for guest workers with countries like Italy, Turkey, and Morocco. No visit to Kreuzberg is complete without a visit to the Friedrichshain-Kruezberg Museum. This museum houses permanent and temporary exhibits on the history, the urban development, and the immigration story of the peoples of both districts. West Germany enjoyed what is known as the economic miracle. This served as a pull factor for workers streaming in from East Germany. In the 1960s, with the erection of the Berlin Wall, this shut off the flow from East Germany and necessitated even more workers from Turkey.
What is the most sold fast food in Germany? Döner kebab. They found the döner kebab.
After guest workers were allowed to bring their families, many Turks assimilated, learning the German language as well as the rest of German culture. Today, Kreuzberg serves as a great mix of ethnic diversity within Berlin.
Come to the Brunnen Gate from outside. On the left side, from the pillars, there's a silent room. It's esoteric, spiritual room. It's not from one religion. Okay. I like the silence here. You see, there are no people.
That night, we were treated to a wonderful circus show by the group Analog. They're a group of friends that put together acrobatics along with originally produced songs that touch your soul. If you ever get a chance to see them, it is a must-see.
Try to reveal my fault.